It's about time we answered this question. What is HTML? You may already know that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, but what does that really mean? According to Wikipedia, HTML is the standard markup language used to create web pages. Okay, so that helps, but what is a markup language? Basically, it is a way to take plain text and mark it up to make it different. Still confused? Let's mark up some text to see this in action. Open up a text editor. I'm opening Notepad++, and I'm just going to type in hello world and save it as an HTML file. I'll call it hello.html and save it to my desktop. So now the file is right there. If I open it in a web browser, I can see the web page displayed. Now we're ready to mark it up. We're going to use HTML tags to do that. So let's say, for instance, we want hello to be bold. We can easily put a bold tag, that's a B inside of angle brackets, in front of hello. Everything after this tag will be set to bold by the browser until a close bold tag is encountered. Add a close bold tag after the word hello. A close tag is the same as the open tag except that you add a / after the first angle bracket. I'm just going to press save, come back to my web browser, and refresh the page. Now the word hello is bold. We just marked up the text. Let's mark up a bit more of the code. Let's say, for instance, I wanted the word world to be in italics. We can use the I tag with the close I tag. And now it will say hello world, with hello being in bold and with the world being in italics. You can also embed HTML tags. Let's add a center and close center tag around the entire block of code. You always have to tell the browser where to start the markup and where to end it. In this case, we're going to be centering the word hello and the word world. Refresh the page. Hello world is now centered on the page. And that is the basics of how to mark up your text using HTML. You'll find out later that using these tags is not recommended in most cases. This is because the center tag, bold tag, and italics tag all relate to the style of the page. And it's usually a better practice to use CSS for adding styles to text or HTML elements. For now, friends, that is all that I have to say about HTML.